We're going to be a big brigade in the kitchen today because we're going to be working with billions of bacteria as well.
Oh my goodness.
David Zilber will be joining me today. He's not only an accomplished chef, he's a food scientist. So this is going to get interesting.
We're going to move on to the burgers.
Okay.
We have a kilo of our cooked quinoa here.
Okay.
1,000 grams. And we are going to introduce life into the equation.
Okay.
We're going to get this quinoa moldy on purpose.
Okay.
Pamela seems like an endlessly curious person. The fact that she even invited me here, I mean, she's open to the things I know about.
These
Okay.
are spores of tempeh mold. When we add these spores to the quinoa, it grows through like a cake.
Oh.
But it's savory.
When you apply microbes to food, you add layers of complexity to the flavors of these products. It's only achievable through the metabolisms of microorganisms and the transformations they imbue.
We're going to add a tablespoon of white wine vinegar, and then we're going to take our spores. You're just going to sprinkle that in and then give it a good mix as well.
People might not think that organisms like mold and bacteria and fungus sounds like something good to eat, but people don't realize that they eat these things every day, from soy sauce to brie cheese to beer or wine.
And now how long is this going to take?
About 24 hours. But we have some finished ones that are right here.
Wow.
Here is a great example of what it looks like when
Whoa.
it's finished.
Wow. And that is just like a perfect patty. That's amazing. And it kind of has a smell.
Yeah,
There's something going on
it's a
there.
really beautiful smell. It's almost like fruity.
Yeah, it's really fresh.
Yeah.
So this is a real science experiment.
I'm really looking forward to the barbecue tonight. I get to serve my kids some moldy burgers and they're gonna love it.
I'm diving into this burger.
Go for it.
Are you kidding me? That's incredible.
This is the best veggie burger I've ever had.